presuppose atiwe kanitha yaku.
Why do you go there? No, it's not about that. Kioi, don't be all over, don't be everywhere, please.
I'm not everywhere.
No. Relax, my brother.
Okay.
Relax in terms of atirere. Where urauga gutire Ngai. Na umenya nie ndigea nawe kana gutire kana ni kuri Ngai kana gutire Ngai. Nie mwenyoro na haha ni ndewera wa Ngai. Okay, Hanato. Listen. No. Listen. Asha ni ndego wera wa Goma. In fact, we no yorenda gwicirio guo. Yorenda gwicirio guo. Kogore ni about the existence of God we cannot argue at all. Me and you cannot argue about
because you believe
because of the
you have faith in God.
Because of existence
you have
the existence of God. But
faith.
My simple question is, nigga turekia interview yako. Because my question is, okigo horo wa Ngai uyu muirari ni uriku ucio tetiketie eho
ne nyinagira Wanjiku mutumia akwa etagwo Njeri ndetagwo Wanjiku so
kogwo Ngai
ne entertainment ndai na no nyina kigoco hega fiu kigoco kia Ngai hero borwo ore nyendete muno rosa mirungu
ngugaga atia
Thima ngoro yakwa onekana ni
oathime
ndinagari arite ni It's a movie. You act movie like this. You movie act demo America. That doesn't make me an American. No, it does not. So you people, mother called radicalize, and I hate that. I don't like it. If something is not demonstrable, please. Religious studies. I wish.
Does he do? She do homeschooling?
No, she doesn't.
Homeschooling?
No. I don't know. No, keyboard na guitar. That kind of nonsense. Calm down.
No. Listen. Listen and mind your language. Calm down. You know, we are talking to millions of Kenyans. The moment you mess up your language, why are you catching?
No, I'm not catching.
No. You are. Do you know you are pale now?
I've been castigated by people. I don't believe.
Please talk about what you believe in calmly. If truly you believe in it.
I believe in people that can help me. I'm praying for you. Okay.